We have a question on the board. Of course, this is the part 3 of the progressive wave motion calculations. This is for you to solve. If you have watched our part 1 and part 2 video, all you need to do is pause the video and solve it yourself. This shouldn't take you less than 1 minute. You can pause it so that immediately I start solving, we will now solve together. Now, of course, this is the they gave you the wave equation. Of course, y is equals to 0.25 times 10 to the power of minus 3 into 500t minus 0.025x. Now, do you know what to do? Of course, you know what to do. Why not? This is A is equals to sine of omega t minus what? The phase angle. Compare it and your answer will flow naturally. This goes with this, is it not? Of course, this goes with this. So what you have is omega t is equals to 500t. T cancel t. But remember that this omega is what? 2 pi f is equals to 500 what? 500. So all you need to do is f is equal to 500 divided by what? 2 pi. And 500 divided by 2 pi, 2 will go into 500. You have 250 all over pi. Please note very well that pi is 3.142. Pi is 3.142. So all I need to do right now is to bring it. Let me bring it to this side. So F is equals to 250 all over 3.142. And if you punch it in your calculator, what you should get is 79.567. And that will be your answer in what? Hertz. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. Are you seeing it? Then the number, I even jumped the number A question. What is the amplitude? Of course, I left it for you. That it was a test for me to know if you are with me here. Yes. The amplitude, by comparison, of course, your amplitude A is what? 0.25 times 10 to the power minus. It's looking at you at the board. You don't solve for amplitude. You just bring it out. The next thing is for you to calculate the period. The next available question is for you to calculate the period. And calculating period is so easy. Remember that period is what? 1 all over frequency. So once you calculate the frequency, you have gotten the period. So 1 all over 79.567. You press it in your calculator. What you're going to get is 4 times 10. No, what you're going to get is 0.0126 seconds. That's what you're going to get, 0.0126 seconds. That's so easy. I told you it's going to be so easy. By the next example, we're going to go into a lot of examples, and believe me, you're going to enjoy it. Stay tuned. We have an example on the board, another example. If you have not watched other videos, endeavor to watch it. These are other examples. Please pause the video, solve it yourself, correspond the answer. A progressive wave has a wavelength of 50 cm. Calculate the phase difference between the 2 points at a distance of 20 cm. So, of course, this is solution. The phase angle is what? 2 pi x all over lambda. One of my students was asking me what was x. Of course, you can see if lambda is the wavelength, x is the distance apart. The distance apart. So that is what it means. And do you know one thing? Phase angle has no SI unit. Yes, it has none. Because if you make the distance apart to be in meters, your wavelength is in meters. Meters will cancel what? Meters. It doesn't have SI units. So this is just 2 pi. This is so easy. Your distance apart, which is x, is what? 20 cm. All over your wavelength is what? 50 cm. Do you see that cm will cancel cm? Even if you convert your answer to meters, it will still cancel each other. It's still the same answer. So this time this will give you 4 pi all over 5. If you want to leave it like this, you are correct. But if you want to get your answer in decimal, yes, of course, you need to continue solving. So this is 4 pi all over 5. Remember, this is 4 times 3.142 divided by 5. And 4 times 3.142 will give you 12.568. Divide your answer by 5 and you should get 2.5136. And that is the answer. This is so easy, guys. This is so easy. The distance between 2 points P and Q along a wave is 0.05 meter. If the wavelength of the wave is 0.10 meter, calculate the phase angle between P and Q. Of course, can you pause the video and do yourself a justice? Yes, this is 2 pi x all over lambda. Now, the distance between 2 points P and Q along the wave, which is x, is equal to 0.05. And then you have your lambda. The wavelength of the lambda is 0.10. This is so easy. Put in here your answer flow word. Of course, you know naturally. So this is Q is equals to 2 pi times what? 0.05. All over your wavelength is 0.10. Is it not? So this time this will give you 0.10 pi all over 0.10. This will cancel this. Therefore, your phase angle is equal to pi. This is so easy. So easy. Please endeavor to practice it more. We'll meet you in another part of the video. Thank you very much.